Hi there, students. To prevaricate. Prevarication. Okay, this word has two different types of meaning and different types of usage. The traditional meaning is to speak evasively, to act evasively, and to try to hide your intentions. To prevaricate, to speak in a way that's intended to deceive. Yeah, you're not lying directly, but you're giving an impression of something else. Okay? You're prevaricating, you're not going directly to the center of something and explaining it exactly as it is. You're bending the truth a bit. Now, there is another meaning of this, which I think is quite interesting, because the British accept this meaning, but the Americans don't. Meaning to delay without good cause, to procrastinate. And I think it's certainly in the UK, this meaning of prevaricate is the prevalent meaning. If you use the word prevaricate, prevarication in English, in British English, people will understand delaying without good cause. But apparently in the US, if you say prevaricate, they will understand this idea of being evasive and trying not to tell the truth as it is, or give a deceptive impression of something. But to me, as a Brit, to prevaricate is to spend time doing other things when you should be doing something else. You know how it is when you've got to do your homework and you really don't want to do it. So you go and make yourself a cup of tea, or you go and read the newspaper, or you chat to your friend, or you go into internet and start to do some searches. You're doing everything you can to avoid doing your homework. You're prevaricating. You're delaying. You're procrastinating. Okay? So if somebody can't make up their mind, they are prevaricating. Yeah? You need to choose one thing or another. If you prevaricate, you are making up your mind and analysing, but you're probably over-analysing and therefore delaying without good cause. I think this word prevaricate in the American meaning is a bit linked to this word terversigate, which means not answer the question, to avoid the question. Okay, so prevarication, for me as a Brit, is not a good thing. You need to do the things that you need to do now. Yeah, carpe diem. Don't wait and delay as much as possible. Yeah, very often when there are things that we don't really want to do, we prevaricate until the very last moment. Okay, now you're going to ask about formality. I think this word is slightly formal, yeah? I'd probably give it 6.5 in formality, maybe even a 7. I think prevaricate in a conversation in the pub, no. I'd either say to deceive, to be evasive, or to delay without good cause. I think this prevaricate for semi-formal and very formal contexts is a really good word, and I strongly suggest you use it. Okay, this word is, to prevaricate is a regular verb. He prevaricated far too long and lost his opportunity. This word comes from Latin prae, before, and varicare, to straddle. To straddle is to put one leg either side of something. And I think this developed into a phrase meaning to walk awkwardly or to walk with difficulty, not in the right way. So if you're going in the wrong way, you're prevaricating, you're doing things you shouldn't be doing, or you're veering away, swerving away from the truth or from reality. Okay, so to prevaricate, both English and American, meaning to be evasive, to speak evasively, to intend to deceive and give a false impression of something. And then in the UK, to delay without good cause. And remember, this British meaning, delay without good cause, in the UK is the primary meaning of to prevaricate. Okay? So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Don't prevaricate. Carpe diem, and do it now.